Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and I love to call my YouTube friends cookies. So hello cookies, and thanks for stopping by. So in this video I'm going to do a comparison of my Coach shoes in the vivid pink. I purchased two pairs. The all pink is a 9.5 and the pink and white is a size 10. So stay tuned to see what your girl think about these sneakers. And then these are Hue, H-U-E. And I have a pair here. And they have the like plastic for the heels to stick to the heels. And then they're just like a little slip-on sock. Let me try it on. To wear like a thin sock in the sneakers so that it looks like I don't have a sock on. So this is the thin Hue socks. The all pink shoe is $125, and the other shoe has the leather. It's $195 with the white laces. The white shoe with the white laces, it has leather and coated canvas, and the other shoes are all coated canvas. The leather ones, they feel pretty comfortable. I just think I need a smaller size. As you can see, I'll bend down and show you where my toe is, so it does have like a ½ inch. And the coated canvas, they fit pretty good without it. I think if I wear a thicker sock, I would be just fine, but the 9.5 seems to be true to size, and the 10 seems to be true to size. Although the ones with the white laces, they do seem a little bit wider, but they're probably about the same width. So yeah, this is my try-on. And the all pink ones, the coated canvas, my toe is pretty close to where I'd like them to be in my sneakers, and the other ones, they're like a ½ inch too long. As you can see, the ones with the white laces or beige laces is actually more high top than these. So if you have a preference as to which, if you like a high top or a low top, they both feel the same cushioning in the inside, but the white ones do feel, with the white laces, they do feel wider, but that's because they're too long. I say they're true to size. The 9.5 fits good. They are kind of narrow, if you ask me, because I could wear them with a thin sock. So I guess I would decide which one I'm going to keep. I might exchange these for a 9.5, but I really like the way these look. I like them both. Undecided. But that's my comparison. Thank you, cookies, so much for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe. If you're interested in seeing more of what your girl is up to, I thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.